Hello YouTube, this is the Samsung 4K Ultra HD Smart TV. This is the packaging, this is the way it comes from Costco, where I ordered it online at a discount from the normal price, which made it about $300 cheaper than what Amazon listed it for. This is the packaging, this is how it's shipped. Very descriptive packaging, a lot of information about what's included. Series 6, contrast enhancer, pure color, smart hub. You're going to get access to your streaming services like Facebook, YouTube, Netflix, HDMI connections. We're going to look at all the connections. 120 motion rate, future ready, which means that once you're going to start receiving content in the full 3840 20 by 2160, which this TV claims to produce, then you'll be ready for that. However, the claim is that this TV will upscale whatever signal is coming in to the TV up to a higher resolution rate, which is highlighted right here. Ultra HD. Now I'm going to use this TV to replace a 32-inch Samsung, and I'm looking forward to a drastic increase in picture quality. Now this is not even a 720 resolution, so I'm expecting a big improvement. This is how it looks now. I'm trying to capture this so I can tell the difference once I get the new unit set up. It's not a bad picture, but it just does not have the sharpness and clarity that a higher resolution would supposedly give. So I'm going to take it out of the box and set it up and see how it works. Now you're going to need a couple of people to take this out of the box. It's very heavy, and you could probably take it out by yourself. If you set it down flat on the side, you could slide it out, but the instructions on the box says that it's to be lifted by 2 people out of the top of the box. So I'm going to open it up and take it out and see what's in the box and see what is necessary to assemble and to get it working. Quick setup guide. Stand member. TV stand. user manual, remote control, and power cord. Okay, here are the connections on the back panel of the TV. You've got two USB ports back here, 3 HDMI, one for the cable box and one for my Blu-ray player, and the extra one over here. This is the antenna in. Then you have the LAN for a wired network to connect to your router. This also will connect wirelessly. You have your composite connections for connecting to a DVD player or receiver. Then you have your AV connection for audio, and you have a digital audio optical connection right here, and two X-Link connections. I don't know what they are for. I don't recognize those connections. Okay, the TV is now set up and ready to be activated. The speakers are below this bottom rail and pointed downward toward the table. However, as you can see, I have my own speakers, external speakers. There are no manual controls on the TV except for one button behind the lower right hand corner that allows for channel changes up and down and volume control. Some stations are better than others. There, you can notice a difference in resolution between stations and broadcasts. However, the picture quality is definitely better than my previous TV. The images are sharper and more focused. Now I will demonstrate how to get on the internet with this TV. First, you have to bring up your apps using your remote. The apps come on down. The apps come up in the lower margin, and you find the web browser and you open that up. When the browser opens up, they have a number of featured sites there which you can select on. That pointer you see there moving around is controlled by the right, left, and up and down arrows on the remote. Works just like a pointer on a laptop. So let's go over here and click on YouTube. Open that up. YouTube opens up and you can select any one of the featured videos, or you can go up here in the search box and search for a particular video you want to watch. So after the web page opens up and you want to search for a particular website or put in a particular search term, you put the pointer up here in this line up here where it says enter the URL or a keyword. And an on-screen keyboard comes up and you can just type your search term or your URL right in there. I'm just going to type in some letters for demonstration purposes and go over here with the pointer and select done, enter, and those particular sites will come up, and you put the pointer on the one that you want to open up and open it up, and it will open up, and you can make this page larger or smaller. You can do the same anything you do on a laptop. Now, while you are surfing the net, you can also keep track of the program you were looking at by putting the cursor or the mouse up here, the mouse pointer or the pointer up here, and bring down this menu right here and click on picture in picture, and that will open up a screen down in the lower right hand corner of the TV, and that will give you what you were looking at before you open up the web page. You can also access other functions from this menu up in the upper right hand corner. For example, you can get your bookmarks, your search history, you can zoom in and out, etc. So that's how you get on the internet. If you have files, for example, photos, video, or music files on a thumb drive, you can play them on this TV by inserting the thumb drive into the port I showed you at the beginning of this video. The owner's manual will explain how to do that. in order to get to those files, you simply bring up your apps and go to the folder called My Content. And in that folder, you have instructions for getting on, syncing a mobile phone, a PC to the TV, and playing files on a USB. And right there, it will show you how to do that by connecting the USB to the back of the TV. I would recommend purchasing this TV or a similar model. It has a great picture and is easy to set up and fun to operate. Why would you want a smart TV? Well, this TV provides ready access to the internet while watching broadcast shows and a large screen to watch endless internet content without having to activate another device to get on the internet. Thanks for watching, and please leave comments in the comment section in case I have missed anything.